Vivo X50 series to launch in India on July 16, confirms company. Redmi Note 8 price increased in India for the 5th time this year, now starts at 12,499 rupees. Security flaw in Indian short video platform Chingari allows hackers access to user accounts. OnePlus TWS headphones launch Teased, listed on Amazon India subscription section. Xiaomi global product launch event on July 15th, Mi TV stick, Mi scooter expected. MacBook display could be cracked by camera cover, Apple warns. Xiaomi patent features transparent 5G smartphone with single 108 MP AI super camera and incredible wraparound display. OnePlus Nord Lite, Snapdragon 690 powered OnePlus phone potentially on the cards. iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max dummies shown on video, compared with older iPhones. Realme 6i with MediaTek Helio G90T SoC, 90Hz display teased, could launch via Flipkart on July 14th. The new Google Nest speaker could be unveiled on July 13th. Mi portable electric air compressor teased to launch in India on July 14th. Apple's upcoming AR headset to have semi-transparent lenses, trial production starts. Asus ROG Phone 3 passes through Taiwan's NCC with 6000 mAh battery and 512 GB of storage. Apple's contract manufacturer Foxconn set to invest $1 billion in its Tamil Nadu's plant under Union government's PLI scheme. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G video promo leak showcases it from all sides ahead of launch. PUBG Mobile, Spotify, Tinder, many other iOS apps back after brief outage. Facebook SDK may be the cause. Asus ROG Phone 3 with Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC launching in India on July 22nd, company reveals. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Daddy.